Hi Shinu,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm very good.
Shinu, how's life in Norway?
It's going good. It's going pretty good.
तो शीनू आज की वीडियो का प्लान क्या है?
So हमने recently Oslo, Norway में अपना खुद का अपार्टमेंट परचेज कर लिया है and we were very busy from last 2 or 3 months. That's why Naveen was not coming on live or we were not very active. So because we were very busy shopping करना घर के लिए, घर का furniture select करना और shifting करना. So we were very busy. So now we have settled down. Almost I can say 90 to 95% घर settle down हो गया है. So we thought that we share this news with your subscribers and we're gonna show you the apartment and everything.
तो
in this
शीनू
video.
मेरे सब्सक्राइबर टूर दे दे.
Yes.
Let's go. चलो शीनू स्टार्ट करो.
So this is the main entrance of this apartment. As you can see, in Norwegian culture, in many cultures, people don't bring the outside shoes inside the house. And especially in Norwegian culture, whether you go to visit the doctor or you go to anybody's home, people don't bring the outside shoes inside the house. It's a cultural thing in Norway. So we always open our shoes here, and especially the snow shoes here, and then we come inside the house.
Okay, ठीक है.
And this is our jacket stand. Here we put our jackets and all the layers we carry outside. So वो हम यहाँ पे hang करते हैं. And then this is the weighting machine to weigh down our weight after coming back from gym sometimes. And let's
enter the main area.
And this is our living room, which is very very dear to me and Naveen. We spend a lot of time in here watching TV and talking to each other, even just relax down here. And also this little beautiful dining table is also near the couch. So यहाँ पे हम dinner, lunch और breakfast यहीं पे करते हैं. So it's a pretty good area and सबसे ज़्यादा इस area को हम use करते हैं दिन में.
ओके ठीक है शीनू मैं धीरे धीरे दिखा देता हूँ.
All these furniture is purchased from IKEA. So most of the things we bought from IKEA, ISK, H&M Home, and there are a lot of other Norwegian brands. But we also wanted to see the budget and everything, because of course you have to calculate the budget, how much money you're gonna spend. So most of the stuff we bought is from IKEA. So this is our dining table. It's a 4-seater dining table, and this is the couch.
हाँ शीनू यहाँ से स्टार्ट करो.
This is the throw blankets. As you know that in Norway it's very cold. Norway में बहुत ही ठंड होती है. So basically जब भी आप बाहर बैठते हो, you always want to take some throw blankets to make yourself cozy. So we have 2 throw blankets here, one for Naveen, one for me. And this is the couch. This is the rug I matched with this couch. This is the TV and a lot of plants in the house because I really love plants, flowers, and lamps and candles, and it is very Norwegian culture. In Norway we use a lot of indoor plants because we have a lot of cold and humid weather all the time in here. So it's good to add plants because they kill the bacterias, they don't let come the mold in your house, because यहाँ पे mold भी बहुत जल्दी चीज़ों में आ जाता है, especially bathroom वगैरह में. और these are good plants to purify the air inside the house. So and it really add element in the house if you want some aesthetic vibes in your house. So we added these plants and some beautiful miniatures. We call them trolls of Norway. These are pretty famous in Norway. And this is our coffee table, or sometime when we wanted to eat something in the evening time while we are sitting in the couch. And this is the painting. This is a very beautiful painting of Oslo. That's how Oslo looks like. So you can see the parliament, the royal palace, the cathedral, and even the Nobel Peace Prize Museum. Everything is in here. So it's the Oslo city painting. I wanted to add a lot of paintings on this wall, but right now there is no such thing to hang in here. So I will definitely add something so I can hang a lot of paintings on the walls. And this is also one of the very nice painting called The Art of Legume Living. It's a Swedish philosophy, and it means like how we all live in Scandinavia. In Scandinavia, this phrase means want like living a life not and wanting not very much and not very less. It's a perfect balance of life, like a work balance life, less stress, slow life, spending time with nature, take your vacations. So that's how the Scandinavian people live. So that is a very famous phrase and a quote from Sweden. So that's why I added this in my house. And this is a pretty space to put things inside. Idanas. And this is a mini temple I have made in here to just worship and
Shana, what is this?
light the diya. And this is the Shiva's flag, and this is like Lakshmi Narayan, Ganesha, and everything. I wanted to add more paintings, or like I can say more murtis, but I couldn't get much time to go and buy some because the shop is far away from my house. So I will definitely gonna add more things to enhance the temple.
This one is from Amsterdam and this one is from Venor. और शनाई बता दे फ्लैग्स के बारे में.
And this is the Norwegian flag and this is the Indian flag. And because we love both India and Norway. Norway is like a second home to us, and that's why we wanted to add the flag. This is not a AC.
It's a warm up.
It's a warm up. So basically, this thing does a lot of multiple things. Like it acts as a dehumidifier, which is very important in Norway to remove the humidity from the house. It also used as a heater, which like ये आपके घर को गर्म कर देगा. And in summer, if you want, like अगर आपको गर्मी लग रही है तो आप इसको as a AC भी कर सकते हो. It gonna cool down your space. But mostly we use it like as a heater and dehumidifier. And that is the Wi-Fi setup in here.
From which company?
From Telenor.
Telenor, yeah. Yes.
Yeah. And this side, I also have added a little bit stuff like to make the space more cozy. Especially it looks very nice from the outside on the windows, because there's a very much culture in here to put things on the window, especially plants and some fake plants or candles.
Shinu, let's
So
go
you can
to
show from here
Okay.
the overall view of our living room. So this is
It's quite spacious
it's
according
stylish.
according to
Yeah,
Norway.
Yeah, according to us, because we are just two, and to be honest, in Norway, this much space is pretty good.
Pretty big, yeah. Because guys, Norway is damn expensive,
And if you wanted like a big houses, so that is mostly owned by the old people, and those are Norwegian. So it's a good space for us too, I think.
Shinu, let's go to your favorite part.
So this is the kitchen. I always wanted to have a big kitchen because when we used to live in the renting apartment in Oslo, so of course, as an immigrant, you all struggle, and we also struggled behind on the back end. Everyone does it. Everyone wants their own house, but it takes some time to save that up much money, and for the bank loans, for the PR, so that the bank can trust you, so that the government can trust on you. So of course it takes a lot of time and patience as an immigrant for you. But we both were very sure that one day we're gonna have our own house in Norway. And I deeply thank Naveen, and I deeply thank God for just fulfilling our dreams. So this is my space. I really love this kitchen, and I really love enjoying cooking over here. So these are some of the equipment that we use on the daily basis, like the toaster, the smoothie jar. This is Simon's induction. It's pretty good, and it's very popular and famous brand in Norway. Uh, the heat system and the alarm system, everything is very perfect in this like induction. And these are
Show this one.
this is the oven.
Yes.
For like baking, or if you want to cook a chicken or something. This is the microwave we use. These are the storage space, for all the storage space.
शिना
for
इसको
us.
ओपन कर लो एक.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. तो यहाँ पे IKEA में ऐसे सामान मिलते हैं. Yes.
And this is the Morton and Pestle for
Yes.
me
From IKEA.
from IKEA.
IKEA.
And this is some of the stuff I use on the regular basis, like coffee, tea, olive oil. And this is the storage for like onion, potatoes, and this is fruit basket. And this is where, like, if I wash something from my hands, and this is the dishwasher. All of the utensils go here, but the ones I wash, I keep it here to dry. And these are like the shoken, like the spray to clean the apartments, and like the soap. And this is like
The
the plate
plates and-
sections and everything. This is the storage for all the
So Shina,
spices.
Shina, are you happy with the storage?
Yeah, I'm pretty much happy. And this is the sink. This is the dustbin area. Like, we have to
Oh yeah. Shina,
segregate
the
three
most
to-
important.
to
Yes.
3 to 4 dustbins, like the cardboard separately, the plastic
Food.
and food waste differently. So this is like 3 to 4 dustbin in here, which we use to segregate the
Okay. Shina, एक बार fridge.
and this is the fridge.
Yes. Shina, एक बार दिखा दो आपकी fridge में क्या क्या है.
Nothing more much.
Shina, भरी तो पड़ी है.
ईस्टर की वजह से खाली हो गई है.
Okay.
And this is like
-20.
-20 for like our chicken, and for
Breads.
the ice and the bread. We usually generally freeze the bread here, because यहाँ पे mold बहुत जल्दी आता है.
Shinu, one question. Shinu, electric सामान कहाँ से लिया था?
This is all purchased from Elk Shop.
Elk Shop, हाँ.
The fridge, the microwave, and
TV,
also
lot
the
of stuff,
TV
हाँ.
and a vacuum that
हाँ,
we
हाँ.
bought from like Elk Shop, which is pretty much famous. And
Shina, ये
everyone
बड़े
knows.
प्यारे लग रहे हैं. Minions लग रहे
These
हैं.
are the magnets which we put
Traveling
in here.
memories.
These are all the cities which we have traveled so far in last 4 years.
चलो Shinu. Shinu, okay. Living hall हो गया, kitchen हो गया, and Shinu.
And let's go to the room.
Yes. First room.
So
Yes.
this is our bedroom. I really like aesthetic things, and especially plain colors. I don't like loud things with a lot of patterns. So I choose almost the gray, black, white, and blue colors. So this is the set I really like, and I got this from IKEA also. You can also get it from Ask or maybe from H&M Home. I bought some from H&M Home also. And these are the tables and the lamps which we use, and these are some of the books I read, and I keep it here. And these are the blackout curtains from IKEA. As you know that we have like 3 months, we have a lot of brightness and midnight sun, so it is very bright in the night time. So you need blackout curtains to sleep in the night in Norway. So I have used these one. And we
For
also open this
ventilation.
window for ventilation, and this is another ventilation on the top. And
Shina,
the-
इस प्लांट का नाम?
and this is snake plant.
हाँ, for what?
And it is really very good for your bedroom space, because it's purify the air and release oxygen in the night. So it's
Good.
really good plant to keep in your house, but especially in your bedroom. And this is like the heater,
Very
which
helpful.
which we used to use in February, January,
Oh my
December,
God.
because that's a very cold month.
It was
in
damn.
Norway.
It was damn. It was
So
damn
you really
cold.
need like heaters in the apartments.
Shino, अभी इधर आओ. इस side आओ. Yes.
So now we have like this much space area for the cupboards. 1, 2 and 3.
हाँ.
And this one is like some of the stuff, mixed stuff I have put in here. But this one is for Naveen, so this is really good space. Of course, we need more because the winter clothes are really heavy, but still, it's a good space for his clothes.
Good job, Shina.
And
Nice.
it's an individual one.
Shinu बढ़िया से arrange करती. Shinu, good job.
This is his, and this is mine. This is also same, and it has a lot of space for me also.
Good job, Shina. Good. Okay. So दोस्तों ये हो गया रूम और अभी चलते हैं नेक्स्ट में. ठीक है? Yes. नेक्स्ट है दोस्तों वॉशरूम, है ना?
So this is our washroom.
Yes.
Uh,
The most important area of the house also.
So this one is the same kind of storage compartments over here, and I'm really, as I told you, I'm very fond of fragrance things and like the candles. So this is a very nice candle for the bathroom space. This is the one laundry bag for Naveen. This is mine, and this is for the bed sheets and the toilet rolls holder. And this is the machine for washing clothes. And this one is the dryer.
Yes, दोस्तों यहाँ पे दोनों चीज़ होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. शिना एक मिनट साइड आ जा शिना.
And this is all the
Yes.
stuff for like
Cleaning
and for laundry or for cleaning the bathroom. And
Shinu, this one
is a very useful plant for anybody who lives in cold countries, and especially in Norway or Sweden or Finland, because this is very beautiful plant called peace lily, and it really kill benzene from your house and purify the air, and it is very good especially for the living room and the bathroom,
especially for the newly painters, like for the sofa or from the table,
because we have because as you know that most of the apartments and most of the bathroom have no window like we have in India. So bathroom ko सूखने में बहुत time लगता है, and you have to take care of that thing often, and you have to clean it with lot of chemicals, because यहाँ पे बहुत जल्दी इन चीज़ों के बीच mold आ जाता है यहाँ पे. तो वो mold फिर इतने ज़्यादा देना, and that mold is very dangerous for you. So that is the one reason that people keep peace lily in the bathroom.
वो shower हो गया, ठीक है?
That is the shower space. This is the pot, and this is.
और दोस्तों नॉर्वे में यहाँ पे टिश्यू होता है, ठीक है? Yes. और शिनो एक मिनट, हाँ, yes. लाइट बंद कर दो. Let's go. Bye दोस्तों. चलते हैं next साइड में.
And यहाँ से आप ये देख सकते हो. This is our like area.
Yes, main entrance. दोस्तों मेरे को शिना ये बता दे कि मतलब अगर वुड होती तो मैं, क्योंकि लोग ना शूज पहनते हैं ना, वो बता दे. हाँ, इसका फायदा क्या है?
Some of the people have wood, but it is very useful for us in the winters, as some people wear spikes, and also like when you come from outside, your shoes has lot of small stones or sometimes a lot of snow. So that somehow is not good for the wood, especially the spikes. So it is good to change the shoes, the winter stuff in here. So it is very useful in Norway to have little bit marble or tile in the house.
Yes.
Especially on the entrance.
Let's go Shinu to the next part. Shinu आगे मैं पीछे. Yes.
So this is the another room.
Yes, it's a small room, but still a room, and yes.
We use it for like little office purpose here. For reading or sometimes for doing any kind of things from the laptop that needs laptop. We sit here and check our emails and everything from here.
Yeah.
And
you need an office, in a small office.
This is the vacuum we use in here. We also use the pocha, like the mop and everything, but we use more like the vacuum from the wood.
And this is from Bosch.
Yeah.
Shino, are you happy with this?
Yeah.
It's quite good, yeah. Okay.
And this is that people don't use it all the year. They especially use it in the month of November, December, when the Christmas is around. But it's always in here. So I put it in here. So.
Okay. So दोस्तों हम लोगों ने ऑलमोस्ट आपको सारे घर का होम टूर दे दिया है. शिनम एक चीज़ वो बता दे, बेसमेंट में यहाँ पे क्या मिलता है, एक बार वो एक्सप्लेन कर दे. हाँ.
5, 6, 10 मीटर स्क्वायर इतना आपको स्टोरेज मिलती है, किसी में ज़्यादा भी होती है.
सेपरेट हमारा.
So we have in the basement. So where we have our all luggages, some winter stuff, our extra stuff. तो हम वो वहाँ पे रख देते हैं
और शिना लोग ना अपनी साइकिल वगैरह भी नीचे रखते हैं सारी। हाँ
साइकिल्स के पास हम लोगों के पास अगर लोगों को स्टॉलर की जरूरत है तो स्टॉलर वगैरह भी रख देते हैं अंदर।
यस। और हाँ, और शिना नीचे हमारा छोटा सा बेसिक सा जिम भी है ना, छोटा सा। हाँ
yeah.
छोटा सा बेसिक जिम है शिनो, ठीक है। उसको बंद कर दे लाइट को शिना, कि हाँ ऐसे अच्छा लग रहा है शिना। हाँ ठीक है। अब शिनम अब दोस्तों हम बाहर जा रहे हैं, एंड जस्ट गिव अस 1 मिनट। यस, हाय शिनो वंस अगेन।
So this is our deck, and or you can say balcony. It's pretty much big balcony according to Norway, and
शिनो हमारा गार्डन।
हाँ वो हमारा आगे गार्डन है, ये किसी का साथ में गार्डन है, और इसी के पास आगे जाके थोड़े से हमारे डस्टबिन्स वगैरह है। तो ये गार्डन हम समर में क्लियर करेंगे, लेकिन इसका कट करेंगे ग्रास।
और शिनो शिनो इधर से बाहर से व्यू अच्छा आ रहा है।
ऑनेस्टली इस बालकनी को पेंट की बहुत ज़रूरत है, तो आई एम गोना डू इट इन द मंथ ऑफ मे बी मई, व्हेन वी हैव लाइक गुड अमाउंट ऑफ सन। सो मैं इस 2-3 चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं आपको।
Yes.
3-4 स्टेप्स होते हैं, and then I'm gonna paint it. And this is nice chair and the table in here. We have like 2 chairs, another one is over there, and then we sit here. You can have your dinner here, lunch here. So यहाँ पे धूप लेने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगता है। आप अपने कपड़े भी सुखा सकते हो। There is the stand here over here, and in the summer also I'm gonna do some gardening here because we have garden, so I'm gonna grow some flowers and everything.
चलो शिनो बहुत ठंडा है, लेट्स गो इनसाइड। और दोस्तों आपको बाहर का बालकनी भी दिखा दी। 1 मिनट। यस, तो शिनो 1 मिनट इधर शिना। यस शिनो, थैंक यू सो मच मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए होम टूर देने के लिए। और शिनो कुछ बोलना है लास्ट में?
I hope you like the video. I hope you like the apartment. Send us good wishes. And हिमाचली में बोलते हैं ना, बुरी नज़र थू 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 तो हमारी दादियाँ बोलती हैं और मम्मियाँ बोलती हैं ऐसे। तो I hope you give us the positive vibes, and that's the news we wanted to share with you from last 2 months, but we will be very very busy doing stuff lately.
दोस्तों बहुत टाइम लगता है सेटअप करने में,
because no help, and we did everything our own. We both, sometimes together, sometimes separately. So of course I wanted to do a lot of things which I have in my mind, the vision I had for the balcony, for the garden, or like for the living room, some more things I wanted to add. So that I'm gonna add slowly, because to be honest we are empty. We have no money left, and step by step karte raho, and then we will definitely gonna make more videos, and we will definitely give you a more tour in the summer, or maybe after like 3-4 months or 6 months.
शिनू वन मोर क्वेश्चन। शिनू छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है, रेंटल वर्सेस ओन अपार्टमेंट में किस में ज़्यादा रहने का मज़ा आता है?
नॉर्वे में?
हाँ।
आई डोंट नो, बट इंडिया में तो अपना घर था, तो मतलब आपको कभी फील ही नहीं होती है वो चीज़। बट एज यू मूव टू अदर कंट्री, you start from scratch, you start from zero. So honestly it's a very different feeling, because आपको, क्योंकि बाहर कोई भी कंट्री होती है एज अ मिग्रेंट, और एज इवन आप लोकल भी हो, घर बहुत छोटे होते हैं। इट्स लाइक 20 मीटर्स के, 30 मीटर्स के, 40 मीटर्स के। तो उन घरों में ना समटाइम आपको ना सर्दियों में, विंटर में बहुत एंशियस फील होता है। इफ़ यू हैव बिगर स्पेस, so you can lay on the couch. Sometimes if it's sunny, you can sit outside on the deck. You have more space, and of course जो अपना घर होता है, so you can do things according to yourself, because in the rented apartment you have to think a lot, like मुझे ये चीज़ लेनी है, मैं ले लूँ या नहीं लूँ, बिकॉज स्पेस कम होता है और आपको लगता है कि कल को फिर आपने शिफ्ट करना है, तो you have to pack all this stuff, and it's gonna be really challenging and hard for you. So जो अपना घर होता है, you can fulfill your dreams and the vision, it's because it's your place, it's your home, how you wanted it to look like, how you wanted to add and anything, so वो आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग करते हो। तो इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल फीलिंग फॉर एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग to buy your own apartment or your own house, and do the things which you really dreamed of. So it's a very beautiful feeling for both of us, and we are very grateful to our hard work. Especially I'm going to thank Naveen, because this happened because of him, but I helped him as like
you did
as
great.
a partner,
you did great, Shinu.
As much as I can. I supported him, and that's how you fulfill your dreams together. and we are very grateful to God, and we gonna do more hard work in future, and gonna make it more cozy space for us like we wanted.
शिनू इसी के साथ थैंक यू सो मच। शिनू बाय बाय कर दो मेरे सब्सक्राइबर को।
आई होप आप भी ऐसे मेहनत करते रहो और अपने ड्रीम्स को फुलफिल करते रहो। नेवर कंपेयर योर लाइफ विद एनीबॉडी, एवरीवन हैज़ देयर ओन पेस इन लाइफ। हर किसी की लाइफ पेस, हर किसी की लाइफ रेस अलग होती है। मे बी इट गोना टेक टाइम, बट ऑफकोर्स द यूनिवर्स and God always align things for you on the right time. It doesn't mean that अगर आज आपके पास घर नहीं है तो कल नहीं होगा। किसी को 4 साल के बाद मिलेगा, किसी को शायद 10 साल बाद मिले, किसी को 5 साल बाद मिले, but you know the right time will come in everyone's life, so you have to be patient enough.
शिनू बाय बाय, टेक केयर।
Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really appreciate it. Hello Naveen.
हाय शिनू।
So I wanted to capture some moments with you on the blog. So तुम भी अपने ओपिनियंस दो या कुछ तुम अपने सब्सक्राइबर्स को बोलना चाहते हो।
ओके दोस्तों, तो दोस्तों शिनू ने आपको पूरा होम टूर दे दिया है। नॉर्वे में ना 3 चीज़ आती है मोस्टली, ठीक है। एन्ने बोली जो कि सेपरेट हाउस होता है, एक होता है रक्के हाउस जो कि रो हाउस होते हैं 4, 5, 6 करके, और एक होता है लाइली है, उसको बोलते हैं अपार्टमेंट। तो दोस्तों हमारा अपार्टमेंट है, और दोस्तों मेरे को नॉर्वे में 7.5 साल लग गए, ठीक है, अपार्टमेंट लेते लेते। और दोस्तों मतलब कि थोड़ा सा प्रोसेस हेक्टिक भी था, टफ भी था। दोस्तों मैंने पता क्या सोचा है, इसके लिए मैं प्रॉपर एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा कि नॉर्वे में लोन, बैंक लोन कैसे मिलता है, आपको क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स देने पड़ते हैं और आपको कितना सम देना पड़ता है एक साथ। मैंने सोचा कि ये वीडियो सिर्फ होम टूर पे रखते हैं, उसके लिए मैं एक स्पेशल वीडियो बनाऊंगा ताकि जो लोग मतलब नॉर्वे आते हैं, और दोस्तों टू बी ऑनेस्ट कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो कि 4 या 5 साल बाद मतलब अपना घर लेते हैं। डिपेंड करता है आपकी जॉब कैसी है, आपकी सेविंग कैसी है, ठीक है। पर दोस्तों फिर भी मैं उसके लिए एक स्पेशल वीडियो बनाऊंगा कि हाउ टू परचेज हाउस इन नॉर्वे, वो बहुत ही अच्छी वीडियो होगी दोस्तों। और दोस्तों इसी के साथ आई एम सुपर हैप्पी दोस्तों, मैंने भी कंट्रीब्यूट किया, शिनू ने भी कंट्रीब्यूट किया दोस्तों। और दोस्तों मैं तो आपको एडवाइस करूंगा, जो नए कपल्स हैं दोस्तों, हार्ड वर्क करो, भले आप इंडिया में हो, आप यूएस में हो, यूके में, आप कहीं भी हो दोस्तों, ठीक है, आप अपना घर परचेज करो। और दोस्तों लास्ट में यही बोलूंगा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, और इसके बाद और भी वीडियोज आएंगी दोस्तों। बाय बाय फ्रॉम नॉर्वे।
थैंक यू।